Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the data source setting options in Power BI. So we'll use Excel as an example, but the same thing can be used for other data sources. So let's start. So I'm on the Power BI desktop and I'll click on Get Data and I'll click Get Data from an Excel. And I've got this Excel sheet which has got some COVID data. So I'll click on this and hit Open. And in this navigator, I'll select the COVID data. And then now I'll hit on Transform Data. So you can see here that it is getting the COVID data and it is showing me the data points here. Now let's say, so I've got this data saved here. It's in, so I'll just go to View Advanced Editor for now. And you can see it's in my C data, COVID data. So I've already got this folder open. So this is where this file sits. And now let's say for some reason someone comes along and they create a new folder called data in here, and then they move it. So now I'll just cancel out of this. And now if I go to the Home tab and hit Refresh Preview, it will error out because what's happened is it says it cannot find the file. So how do you make this change, or how do you point it to the new location? So on the Home tab in the Power Query Editor, you've got data source settings. So you click on that and you can see it is there. So as you have more data sources, they will keep getting added here. But in this specific case, because we just have one source, that's the one that's showing. So now if here I select this and I hit change source, and now it's giving me the option, so I can browse. I can go into data and just say it's changed, so this is the new location if I'm aware of the location. Now if I hit OK and close, and now if I go here and say refresh preview, you can see that the data becomes available to me. So let's say if it is for SQL Server, you can again go back and change the setting and point it to a new server. So every time, all your data sources will appear here, and any change to the data source, you can come in the Power Query Editor, you can come to the data source settings and change the setting, pointing it to the new location. So just to recap, in this video we've explored the data source setting properties in the Power Query Editor, specifically on the Home tab in the Power Query Editor, and how you can change the data source setting if you change the location of your source file, or if there is some credential that changes as well. So there are multiple ways you can come to the data source setting option. This is just one of them, and that is how to access it via the Power Query Editor Home tab. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.